You son of a bitches! The people who have supported me throughout my YouTube journey. Welcome back to the beast itself, the Campfire Mania! That's how we started this fucking day. Welcome back, you humble motherfuckers.
Respect the fire, bitches.
Oh, it's the fishing expert! What is this kid doing here? What is he doing shaved? You see that little gnarly beard of his? So, just let me give you a little tour of the back here. Here's the fucking fucked up little shack. There's the little couple
There's
lawn
the
chairs.
shovel. There's the two-stroke diesel fuel. There's the
fence.
The fucking lawn tools, bitches.
The fence. The fucked up person over there.
I built that fence, as a matter of fact.
That's my bedroom where I do all the filming. That's my
masturbate.
Oh, damn!
I've caught him doing that dirty thing.
Have you actually?
Yeah, you and that Tic Tac dick.
Oh, fuck! Alright, semen infested dick can't stop having babies.
Oh, it's semen infested.
So that's my dad's bedroom. That's the nice barbecue.
Hey, just ask your sister.
Oh my fucking god! Savage! Fucking savage! Alright, there's the barbecue, there's the shitty radio, there's the lawnmower, there's the fucking... There's the vine, there's the fire, there's the fishing expert, there's T-Roy Talk Show himself, there's a shed. What else do we show you here? Oh, there's a pile of wood there.
Show him the two-stroke fuel.
Oh, okay. There's the two-stroke fuel. And maybe next clip you'll see him use it. Hopefully. Wait, no. Then it'll start a fire. So we don't need no okay, fucking rockin' tunes, motherfucker. So I hope you're enjoying the frenzy of vlogs. I hope you enjoyed the fish fry on Canada Day. I
hope you enjoyed my dick in your mother's ass. And my balls in your sister's cunt.
Fuck. We need the bleeper one. Where's the bleeper when you need it? Fuck. Oh, fuck. 14 plus. Did someone burn their house down with a firecracker? All I'm hearing is sirens all night. Why? Did you like fucking throw a bomb at your worst enemy or something?
I lit a couple houses on fire, but I'm not sure if any of them caught. Hey, a bat! Did you see that? It's like a rat with wings.
Campfire time, yeah, you're not missing anything. He's just talking really weird to my viewers, so.
You got a long bottom bitch on your hands. From what I hear.
I'm just gonna edit that part out. Who told you she had a? Who told him?
Just put the bleeper on and cunt until she's fucking screaming.
So I heard you were a.
Like,
Let's see.
He says that guy? I'm like, apparently so.
Apparently so. You're fucking with him every day.
Like a nun's cunt on me. Never stay shut.
Okay, everyone needs to know he apparently doesn't talk like that when he's working. Am I getting my face? Fuck! I didn't get it up.
I'll shave a maple leaf into my ass hair. How about that?
What a fucking god.
Ask your mother how it looks.
Any words to say about this?
Yeah, get that cock-sucking camera out of my face, you dirty dick-loving cock monkey.
Dirty dick.
before I fucking whoop your sniveling little.
I wonder where he gets his inspirational words from. I honestly wonder. So, here is now gonna be the luxurious house tour. The first one you've seen on YouTube. Well, from T-Roy Talk Show himself. And why do I keep referring to myself with the, I don't know, it's really annoying though. So, this is my room. You know, a luxurious room. That's the laptop where I do my recording and editing off of. I will give you a tour of my. Wow, this room's a fucking shit show. Oh no! Oh no! Shut your big. The luxurious storage room. It's been the storage room for what, 2 years now? This room's going to stay there, but it is my father's room because little man's sleeping right there. I don't know if you can see him, but yeah. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. We have the bathroom. Someone forgot to flush the toilet. It's probably me. Alright, so now you have the kitchen.